This is a 2013 Ford Edge, a car-like ride and space like an SUV. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, heated seats, a sport package, and hill start assist. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Texas Auto is located at 16200 Highway 3 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.